first off, I'm just going to take the Too Faced Hangover primer. I recently just got this because I've been wanting to try it. And as you all know, if you are new to my channel, I usually look this way because my mirror is facing this way. So yeah, don't look at the viewfinder because I think it just looks weird. But yeah, I'm just gonna look this way because my mirror is right here and I can see what I'm doing. And as you guys can see, I have a new hairstyle. I am natural, so I will be doing hair tutorials on that. So yeah. Sits and I'm going to do the eyeliner. So I'm going to use tape. So I'm just going to use some tape to make sure the liner looks even. For eyeliner, I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner eyeliner and I use that to line my eyes. That concentration has got me thirsty. Alright, we're done with the eyes. How simple was that? But I want to add an inner corner highlight. What I'm going to do is take my Laura Geller highlighter and build it honey. So yeah, I finally got it. I'm going to take this highlighter and put that in the inner corners. Take my MAC Strobe Cream in Peach Light and just put that on my cheeks. For foundation, I'm going to take my oldie but goodie Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I can never go wrong with this stuff. I love it so much. It's literally my favorite foundation. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Cafe. I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take my Black Radiance Pressed Powder. Set in all that powder so I don't look as powdery. I'm going to take the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray in Rose and just spray my face. do lashes, so I'm gonna take the Kiss Lash Couture Fall Main Collection and a Little Black Dress and put those on, and also apply mascara. And I'm gonna take my favorite drugstore mascara in general, the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black, and I will see you guys after I put those on, because I'm pretty sure I cannot put these on camera. But next I'm just gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo and just apply that all over my lip. Like the finished product, I just want to bring out a video for you guys, and I also want to create a vintage makeup tutorial. You guys know I'm so used to doing like the glowy fresh looks, and those are my favorite to do, but I want to do something different, especially with my hair since it's natural and something different. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification when you're done, and I will be posting more videos since it's the summertime. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.